This is a Paradise Police Department emergency broadcast. All broadcasting has been discontinued until further notice. Paradise Police officials have stated that the postal dude has escaped Paradise Mental Institute and should be considered armed and dangerous. Authorities warn all citizens to lock their doors and windows, block off all entrances with nearby furniture or apparel, and turn off all the lights. Do not let anyone inside your home, even if they claim to be Paradise Police officials. Do not let anyone leave your home until this broadcast ends. Do not pay attention to the knocking. If you hear anyone knocking on your front door, no you don't. Stay right where you are. Don't open the door. Do not open the door. Hide. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth, as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory,